Hey art fans, Steve here from NVIDIA, and today I'll be taking you on a journey through a wild, weird, and wonderful world of truly unique retro-futuristic machines, aesthetics, and culture. Part history, part fantasy, and all fascinating. Welcome to Steampunk City. If you're going steampunk, go all the way. That sure seems to be Volodymyr Dunchenko's style. Just take in the breathtaking scale of this amazing landscape, complete with Victorian-style buildings, copper machinery, and floating blimps, all powered by, of course, steam. As we dive deeper into this vast city, we can see his love of steampunk and sci-fi come to life in beautiful lighting and vibrant color. From the retro cars and flying machines to the cinematic scenes and the people that inhabit them. Volodymyr's background in architecture and design, his creative tools like 3ds Max and Photoshop, plus his passion for the genre create the perfect introduction to this exciting world. Andreas Philipp has a somewhat more elevated take on the steampunk experience. He calls it Sky Haven, and it's absolutely stunning in its sense of place, high above the clouds. The bright coppers and muted blues of the structures against the sunset create a real sense of calm compared to the bustling city below. What Andreas calls a homecoming filled with beauty, craftsmanship, and limitless possibilities. We can imagine a tinker working his magic in a brilliantly lit shop, or maybe even visiting there ourselves as the ultimate getaway. For Sergei Panin, the brilliance is in the details. Maybe it's his extensive background in engineering, but he brings an amazing level of intricacy to every image. And the colors, brass with patina, brown leather, smoke, and wood, are all integrated perfectly to reflect the steampunk vibe. The more I zoom into different areas of these objects, the more I admire the amount of work that went into every element and material, and how that helps each piece tell a story. Sergei is inspired by both the form and function of machinery, and his pieces reflect the beauty of both. As we continue our journey, we can see this passion for the art form all around us. The beautiful small metal finishes in Simin Farrokh Ahmadi, also known as Simba's steampunk computer. The wonderfully ornate harpsichord from Cedric Arsenault, the perfectly rendered Imperial Observatory from Connor Sheehan. Even the crazy cool design and metal texturing of Sarah Wang's retro awesome boat. Every piece is meticulously researched, crafted, textured, colored, and lit with amazing attention to detail. Okay, time for the last stop on our incredible tour through Steampunk City. What better way to get there than this ride from Louis Laurent? I mean, this is just an incredible way to set the scene for the underbelly of the city. The gritty environment bathed in cool tones creates a timeless hazy atmosphere, where thick industrial clouds blur the line between morning and night, giving the city an almost underwater quality. The rusted metal, leaking pipes, and relentless rain, shaped by Lewis's memories of early morning train rides as a teenager, tell a story of a city both thriving and decaying. A place where factories dominate and crime lurks in the shadows, and the train is there to take us to whatever our artists can imagine next. Want some company on your next artistic journey? Go ahead and share your artwork and your inspiration at #StudioShare. And be sure to follow us at NVIDIA Studio to see what else we have in store for you.